452 awakening wonders. Yes, I stole that line. And I'm a few million short from him. Today, I'm knackered, absolutely knackered. Yesterday was so long. And the film was really long. They had to break it up into 2 parts, but it's very eclectic. It's full of fun, it's full of sort of sensible stuff, and we did a big review of our day at the end as well. So it's worth a little look, I think. So make yourself a cuppa, put your feet up, and have a little chill. That's mostly what we're going to be doing today. I don't think I'm going to be doing the dance classes or the musical instrument classes. We're going to go and see if we can go for breakfast, and we're going to go and see maybe if we can do a little bit of egg painting and maybe a massage and just pull, which is a shame. We overdid it yesterday. Wasn't our choice though, really. Again, watch yesterday's and you will see why. Spirulina and kale smoothie, that should get me sorted. What's yours? Summer fruit?
Dragon.
Oh, summer dragon fruit.
Dragon.
I like the colours too. Very nice. Bad days, my perceptions are pretty naff. And I was just walking along here and I was about to say to Julia, I've left these coconuts on the tree a bit long. They look very good. And I realised, oh, they're lights. We've just had breakfast and we're now back at Laka Leke. I've got incense sticks caught in my foot.
And it's burning.
And it's burning. They've just done the offerings. I'm not having a good day at all. Sorry. Look, I told you I had to be careful of these offerings. I've just walked through the bloody thing. I'm sorry, everybody, for wrecking the offerings. Anyway, we're going to see if we can do some egg painting or something and book it for today. We'll see. I'm not going to walk whilst looking in my phone and talking. I'm going to stand still. It's very difficult for me, but I'm going to. We booked in for the egg painting in a couple of hours. I've had to put warning signs everywhere today. In fact, because this one tells me there's a slope there. But as you keep that out the way, I keep falling over everything.
They're real eggs? No, cool. Okay.
But from wood.
Wood. That's great.
Okay, I'm going to cheat and I'm going to do the ones that are already drawn on.
I have the cat is ready. You paint.
Beautiful. Did you paint this one? Yeah.
Almost in rice field.
Julia's gone for the fish. Going for a flower. Would you say hibiscus?
Looks like it.
Some white lilies over the back there. I'm just wondering why on a day that I'm struggling to do things that I'm used to, like walking and talking, I thought I'd be okay at painting. It's not looking too bad, but I must admit it's a bit of a struggle. Good excuse for a break. Luckily for me, I have a man to make it look a lot better.
Piece of nut.
God, so strong, aren't they? They're very nice nuts, but we'll let you have that bit. We don't mind because you're working so hard for it. So where I was going wrong is I was doing it really dark, like my paint by numbers, right up to the edge. And you don't need to. You have to do it all like this. Wait for it to dry, then put darker colours on, and don't have to cut in. I'm not painting the bathroom or the lounge. I was also loading my brush with really thick paint, so you can see where I did first. But then you have to add lots of water to it and make it, I'm just doing the blue now, so a lot clearer and less thick. I did do the majority of my wooden egg, honest, but Katoot's just touching it up. That's an our very patient and artistic teacher today is Katoot, which means number 4. So that's the whole conversation of having to ask, oh, you're the eldest child, because we know he's not. And he can do, is it these ones, Julia?
2 in a day.
2 of these in a day. The detail is just fabulous compared to mine. And the detail in mine is mostly due to Katoot. Oh my goodness, I've got to do this now. This could be very tricky. Could have some zigzag lines. We have zigzag steps and words today, so not sure what the lines are going to look like. Work, he's burning it. He's actually, oh sorry, he's actually drying it and then spraying it with an acrylic spray to make it all glossy and hard. Wow, look at the difference that makes. Amazing. I did that. Well, we did that. Terry McCassie. That's Julia's one. Amazing. Yeah. Enjoyed that. And this is the instrument playing, which I might maybe be able to do. A little bit of percussion, maybe. I am debating it. I'm wondering if I'm going to tire myself out too much, because these are little seats I've got to sit on. But it's better than the floor over there that we just had to get back up off of. So I've decided to leave it to the experts, because I think they'll make far sweeter music than I could ever make. I've just said, would you mind just playing a bit of music for me so I can film it? Oh my goodness, what are they? They're like hammers. Oh wow. Vibrating. Right in the middle. So we're very happy about eggs, aren't we?
We are ecstatic.
Ecstatic. Oh, that was a dad joke if I've ever heard one. And Julia likes the box, and I do like the boxes as well. They are pretty cute, aren't they? Look. Yes. Now to get them home in one piece. They are wood, at least we won't smash them. So we're back in our old friend's coffee shop for a nice cup of coffee. And do you know what I just realised? We went to school together, we've known each other 48 years, and that's the first time we've ever done an art class together.
I won't say about some of the comments my art teacher said about my art, so I didn't do it for long.
Okay. Me neither. We're stuck in the old friend's coffee shop. Never mind. There's worse places to be stuck. Roundabout comes to mind. We've walked up to our ankles in water. And this what did you just try to tell us? That's so wrong. There's a monkey. We went, no, an umbrella maybe. But we don't need it to run right now. No. Where's a monkey? Who's a monkey? Oh. First, me or you? Just go together. Oh my god. Oh god, mind the step. This is why I keep tripping up. Look, the step here and the step here. Oh, welcome to dryness. That's out here, look. Oh, just getting the cold. Julia, those rotten coconuts, they look quite bright at night.
They do.
Just doing our last little bit of souvenir shopping in Ubud. And these frogs that we bought yesterday are $8 here. We paid $20 yesterday in that place. This is our favourite little souvenir shop here. And the lady here, she's making. So is this bamboo? Is it bamboo?
Coconut leaf.
Oh, coconut leaf. So this is
The
coconut leaf.
young coconut leaf.
Young coconut leaf, and then this is what they're making, like the baskets to put the offerings in for their big celebration on the 28th
Yes.
February. Yeah.
Yeah.
We had a much needed rest day. We were too knackered to even come here for a massage, but hopefully we'll get one at Legian tomorrow. Ta-ta for now.